Guys, welcome to my channel. I know it is very cold today. It's raining. You can hear that. And I still have my pajamas because we're going to stay home. So today I'm going to be opening two slimes. These aren't store-bought. I think they're just made in the containers. But so here we have this one. It looks pretty nice. I think they might be a little sticky. Oh, it's like, okay, there isn't much for like the back. Okay, on the bottom. Let's use it. We will use that one. I'm looking forward to this one. This one has no foam beads at all. Like, I don't know if you can see, but I don't think it has any foam beads. Like this cap. Again, they're all at the bottom. But anyway, two slimes, slime slams.